So we're gonna put an input, which is going to be the black button, and then we're gonna put a timer. The name is going to be T37, so it's going to be 100 milliseconds. So we have to put a 20 because we want it to be 2 seconds. So 20 seconds multiplied by 100 milliseconds is equal to 2. Then we have to put an input of the timer, and we put a coil with the button we want, with the light we want to turn on. So we upload the program, then we run the program, and let's see if it works. So we press the button, 2 seconds, 1, 2, and the light turn on. Then we have a counter. So we put a input as the last one. Then we put a counter. We're gonna name it counter 0. We want it to be 3 times. And we have to put a reset button, which is going to be the input 1, which is the red button. Then we put an input with the counter 0, and then we put a coil with the light we want to turn on. We upload the program, and then let's see if it works. And we run the program. So we're gonna click the black button 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And the light turns on. And that's the reset button. So the light turns off. Now we're gonna put a memory. We're gonna put in an input, which is going to be the black button. Then we have to put an input of memory, which is the S. So we're gonna set a memory 0, 1, and then we have to put the reset button for the memory. It's going to be input 1, and then it's going to be a reset input, which is the R. So M0.0 and then 1. And now we have to put the memory and the coil. So the light that will turn on is the the output 2. So we upload the program, then we run the program, and let's see if it works. So you click it and the light stays on, and then you put the reset button. So this is another exercise. This is about an electric stir. So as we can see, we already have one button lighting up because this is a normally open input, and as we can see, this means that this emergency stop is on. So what happened when somebody puts the emergency stop off? The stairs start slowly working, and when somebody gets in the stairs, they just turn on the speed, the fast speed, and then we can see how the light says that it's in the fast speed. And when they put the emergency button, now we're gonna see what happened. So the stairs stop and the emergency button it lights up. So let's see the program. So let's see how it works. We turn the emergency stop, the fastest speed on, and then we turn the fastest speed off, so the slow speed starts working. And then we push the stop button, and we can see how the flow stream stops, and the stop signs has the flow. So as we saw early, this is a counter, and we're gonna do a problem talking about a bank. So we have two lines, and each line can, when each line has more than 10 people, a light comes up, and when both lines have 20 people or more, 20 people, the door closed, so nobody can get in. And we're gonna start doing the program. So as we can see, this is for the first line. We have the counter, so it can, when it has 10 people, the light comes up. And so when someone gets in the line, it has to click a button, and when they get out, they click another button. So we have the same for the second line, but it's just a different button. And then we have a counter for the 20 people, so it doesn't matter if in one line we have 15 people, or in the other 5, or 10 and 10, or 8 and 12. And let's see how it works. So we click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the light comes up. We click the other one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 20 people, the doors are closed, and both lines have the 10 people light on. So what happens if somebody gets out? So the doors are open, and we have one space available in line number 1. Now we have 11 people in one line and 9 people in the other. So the doors are closed, nobody can get in, and the line is full.